Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Thomas in Ohio on the RCI-2995DXHP. Ready to go. This 300-watt beast it is. We've got your Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade, clarifier unlocked, all the audio and power mods, electrolytic cap upgrades as well, amp on-off switch, high cut filter, beefed up power supply. I'll show you what it's doing. 250 watt slug with it all the way down. Got you at 5 watts all the way down, so you have full adjustability. 60 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, at 280. 500 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 hello. 300 watts on the money. All right, Thomas, I appreciate you once again adding another one to your collection. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. You got Wise and got T Truckerized. Bump bump.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized. Get Wise and get Truckerized today.